So you see, when we're sanding this and we're grinding this, we're stuck with some of the black that's in there. And if you use that wire brush, you end up scraping some of the metal into the wood, and it's really, a pain to try to get that. This might actually be a better tool for your Dremel. It's this sandpaper disc on top of a coarse bit. And don't operate it too high. So you've got it here at, I'm going to turn it down. I'm going to stop it with that because it's doing it one hand. I'm digging too much into the wood. I'm not able to control it. And I would keep the speed low for two reasons. One, you don't want to dig too deep into the wood. And secondly, you don't want to burn the wood, which this little Dremel is quite capable of doing. Both ends of your barrel are going to be where you've got the nicest wood. The barrel makers always put the nicest wood right on top. And you're going to find stains like this, burnishings like that you're going to want to get off. And this is the ideal tool to do it. Now, of course, I'm doing that with one hand, so it would be a better job with two, but that's the tool that you need to take wine stains out. On a surface like this, an orbital quarter disc sander is going to do an awesome job. I've been at this now for about 3 hours, and I just want to show you what your wood is going to look like when you wet it down and take off the dust. That's what it's going to look like. And there are still places where, I want to touch up, but I also haven't done the lighter sanding yet. And that's going to make a big difference. And then I'm going to spend some time getting into these grooves here. But that's where the major leakage takes place, in the barrels as they sit for years.